The crew just outside of the hatch of the Quest airlock, setting up their tools and tethers. Wheelock soon to begin to move over to external stowage platform number 2, along with Caldwell Dyson, to begin the preparations for the removal of the spare pump module from its berthing location on that spare parts platform.
Okay, Shannon, you got the clearance on my helmet to the lab, correct?
I have reasonable clearance. The crew lock bag on your BRT is blocking my view slightly.
Okay.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Is that okay?
Great, thank you.
Okay, because I'll need to come port just a little bit, maybe about 20 centimeters or so, if you could take that.
Okay, I can bring you port a little bit. We'll see how far we can go. Left on the hand controller, starting motion.
On the left side of your screen, the J3, J4, J5 connectors, those are electrical connectors, 3 out of the 5 that were mated earlier in today's spacewalk by Tracy Caldwell Dyson.
Go ahead and do your snapback test.
Yeah. Snapback test good on M1.
Copy. Do your pull test and your gap check.
Do a pull test. Get a pull test here. Very good. Good pull test. Okay. And gap check, it's also right up against the threads. Gap check is good.
Copy.
At the 4-hour, 21-minute mark into the spacewalk, all 4 fluid lines now connected to the new spare pump module on the International Space Station's starboard truss.
M1.
The crew inside the International Space Station will remove that lab truss contingency jumper that was installed on the night of July 31st to transfer loads to Loop B. Then the DC to DC converter units will be reactivated to repower Loop A and the pump module, and other configurations will occur to bring back online the Kibo Japanese module systems, as well as the European Columbus module systems. And by Thursday, all of the configuration activity will be complete, and a final power jumper providing contingency power to the Russian segment of the International Space Station will be removed and will be back in business the way we were before the failure occurred on July 31st.